Bethlehem, the birthplace of Jesus Christ, is the epicenter of Christmas celebrations in the Christian world. Every year, pilgrims from all over the globe travel to this historic city in the West Bank, Palestine, to celebrate the birth of Christ. The most significant event takes place in Manger Square, outside the Church of the Nativity, where visitors come together for a midnight mass and partake in festive activities that have deep religious, cultural, and historical significance. In this video, we will explore the unique and meaningful celebrations of Christmas in Bethlehem, highlighting the joy, reverence, and unity that this special occasion brings to the region. For centuries, Christians from around the world have made a pilgrimage to Bethlehem to witness and participate in the Christmas celebrations. Bethlehem's Church of the Nativity is one of the oldest continuously operating churches in the world and is believed to stand on the very site where Jesus was born. The journey to Bethlehem is not just about tourism, it's a spiritual journey that connects believers with their faith's roots. Bethlehem's narrow, cobbled streets are filled with pilgrims during the Christmas season, making it a truly global event. The city takes on a special ambience, with people from diverse cultures and backgrounds coming together in unity to celebrate the birth of Christ. This convergence of cultures creates a festive atmosphere as the spirit of Christmas fills the air. The heart of Christmas in Bethlehem is the midnight mass held at the Church of the Nativity on Christmas Eve. This church, located in Manger Square, is considered one of the holiest Christian sites in the world. It is here that Christians believe Jesus was born in a humble stable, and the Mass at midnight on Christmas Eve marks the culmination of the Advent season. Each year, the Latin Patriarch of Jerusalem, along with a congregation of local and international believers, leads the midnight mass. Pilgrims gather in the church, which is adorned with Christmas decorations, candles, and flowers, creating a reverent atmosphere of joy and reflection. The mass features hymns, prayers, and scripture readings recounting the birth of Jesus, drawing people into a deeply spiritual and unifying experience. The high point of the mass is the procession to the Grotto of the Nativity, where believers gather to pray at the very spot where Jesus is said to have been born. It is an emotional moment for many as pilgrims touch the silver star that marks the location of Jesus' birth, acknowledging the deep significance of the event that changed the course of history. Outside the Church of the Nativity, Manger Square becomes a focal point for the festivities. The square is decorated with Christmas lights, wreaths, and a giant Christmas tree. A nativity scene is often set up, displaying figures of Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus, accompanied by animals in the stable. Pilgrims and locals gather here to sing Christmas carols, watch performances, and enjoy the festive atmosphere. Throughout the square, stalls selling local crafts, religious items, and traditional Palestinian foods add to the celebratory mood. Visitors can purchase handcrafted olive wood figurines, embroidered textiles, and nativity scenes, many of which are made by local artisans from Bethlehem, providing a glimpse into the region's cultural heritage. The streets surrounding Manger Square also come alive with the sound of Christmas music, both traditional and contemporary, creating an uplifting environment of joy. The festive spirit extends beyond the square, as local businesses and homes are adorned with Christmas decorations. People take part in open-air feasts, sharing traditional Palestinian dishes with loved ones and visitors alike. This celebration of Christmas in Bethlehem is a community event, emphasizing family, faith, and the sharing of joy with others. Christmas in Bethlehem is not just about the religious observances. It is also a celebration of hope, peace, and unity. For Christians living in Bethlehem and the surrounding areas, Christmas holds a deeply personal significance as it celebrates their faith and their connection to the birthplace of Christ. It also offers an opportunity to reflect on the challenges faced by the local community and to pray for peace in the region. Despite the political and social difficulties that Bethlehem and Palestine face, Christmas is a time when the city and its residents are filled with hope. Bethlehem's celebration of Christmas is a symbol of resilience, with pilgrims and locals coming together to emphasize the message of peace and goodwill to all, as proclaimed by the angels in the Nativity story. The city's Christian population, though a minority in Palestine, plays a crucial role in preserving the region's religious and cultural heritage. Christmas celebrations in Bethlehem offer a glimpse into the strength and vibrancy of the Christian community, which continues to thrive despite the challenges of living in a conflict zone. The international presence in Bethlehem during Christmas also highlights the global solidarity for peace in the Holy Land. What makes Christmas in Bethlehem especially unique is the sense of global unity. Christians from all over the world gather to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ in the place where it all began. The celebrations foster a sense of interfaith understanding, as people from different backgrounds unite under the universal message of peace and love that Christmas brings. For many, Christmas in Bethlehem is the most meaningful way to experience the true spirit of the season. It is a time for reflection on the birth of Jesus, the light of the world, and for sharing this joy with others, regardless of their nationality, culture, or faith. Christmas in Bethlehem is a powerful reminder of the true meaning of the holiday season. It is a celebration of faith, hope, and peace, and an opportunity for people from all over the world to come together in reverence, joy, and unity. From the midnight Mass at the Church of the Nativity to the festive atmosphere of Manger Square, the experience of Christmas in Bethlehem is like no other, bringing believers and pilgrims closer to the heart of the Christmas story. It's a celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ and a call to all people to embrace the values of peace, compassion, and goodwill, just as the Holy Family did so long ago.